Jay, make it move. Jay making movies.
Rock money knows.
Jay to go, action. Michael Jackson thriller, pull up in the ghost. Hop up out that big all black folks. Couple racks on me, ballin' in the post. Bank rollin' the soul, premise told. Mess with me now, channel on go. Barely flexin' on them, haters do the most. Million on the way, bout to raise the toast. Got a new name, call him Jay to go. Outrank on my clothes, let's swap on my foes. So first I'm killing myself, gotta install them suicide doors.
YouTube family, what's good, man? We are here with one of my favorites from the week, man. Yes, man, we do have a shoe that did release today, depending on the day that you watching this video. But the day that I do upload this video, we do got a release of a Air Jordan 14. They just calling these the black and white joints. No, these ain't no pandas, nothing else outside of that, man. We just gonna call them the black and whites. But yes, these do release on December 20th. Retail on these will be $200, man. I thought that this shoe would be in a full family size run. However, I was a little surprised to see that these only released in adult sizes, man. I thought that this would have been a good shoe for the kids because it's an all over black, you know, something that they can go out and play in a little bit and not get too dirty. But this is just an adult size shoe. So yes, these will be releasing. $200 is the retail price. If these somehow fall below retail, which is possible because they did not sell out all the way, you know, of course stores do have sizes available, but like I said, I think that this shoe will sell a little bit better than previous Air Jordans because it's all over black and white shoe, and shoes that do have that color blocking often get scooped up because they can go with anything, man. So hey, we'll just have to see. But if these do go below retail, I mean 180, 170, like that is an automatic cop in my opinion, man. But we about to talk about these shoes here in a second. Before we do, man, if this is your first time stopping through, welcome. Glad to have y'all rocking out with your boy Jay, man. I need for y'all to stick around, hit that subscribe button down below, man. Be a part of the fam, man. And if you do that, just comment down below, let me know that, hey, I'm new to the fam. Your boy Jay will give y'all a warm welcome, of course, welcome y'all into the family, man. Because look, anybody that joins, anybody that's rocking out with your boy Jay is truly appreciated. So let me know if you're new around here, and I'll go ahead and chop it up with y'all down below in the comment section below. As well as thumbs it up, man. Thumbs it up if y'all are watching. If you are already subscribed, double check, make sure that you still subscribe because YouTube does unsubscribe people from time and time again. So just make sure that you're still locked in with your boy Jay. And outside of that, y'all, we do got some 14s to talk about. So let's go ahead and talk about these 14s at hand. Bang! So here we have them, y'all. Definitely a clean pair of 14s, man. I'm a big fan of these, y'all. I told y'all when I first seen them, I was a fan of them. I was like, yeah, these are a cop in my opinion, man. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section, and let me know as well if you are picking these up. And if you are picking them up, you know what I'm saying, hey, Outrank brand has something for you to get fly with them. So yes, sir, this one is sponsored by Outrank brand. As you can see what your boy Jay is rocking, man. Look, man, Outrank, as well as you got to keep it 100, man. So hey, we do got the Keeping It 100 collection from them. They do have t-shirts, they do have hoodies, as you seen from the intro. They do have joggers, y'all. So they have a complete collection over at outrankbrand.com. It is only an online exclusive collection, and it is in limited quantities. If you guys are not familiar with their online collections, they do only come in limited quantities. So once they sell out, they are gone, man. So if you want something that is exclusive, it is limited, not everyone will have what you have, you definitely need to check out Outrank brand's collections. They do have collections for pretty much every shoe that drops, man. So yes, the Air Jordan 14 black and white collection is live at the time of making this video, but hurry up, check them out while supplies last. Use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy at checkout too. That will save you a little bit off your purchase, man. So definitely check out their collection before it is sold out. Get fly, you know what I'm saying? Don't be like everybody else and rock what's on the mannequin. Get some of that stuff that's gonna be exclusive, not everyone will have, man. Check out Outrank brand. But yes, outside of that, y'all, it isn't too late, y'all. It isn't too late to go ahead and get yourself some gifts or get that significant other or special person a gift for the holidays. Oh, appreciate that. Bang! By checking out what's so Premise has. Yes, y'all, they make sure that all your bags are secured, man. So Sole Premise is the only way. It's the best way to travel, man. They do have travel bags, man. The one that I did show y'all in the video is the duffel bag. This is one of my favorite bags, y'all. It can pack a lot, whether you're going on a 3 or 4 day trip, you going to the gym, man. This is the perfect customizable bag for you. You have different little slots in here that you can make your customized setup, you know what I'm saying, inside the bag. You got several spots in here for storage. You got side pockets, you got back pockets, more side pockets. Come on, bro, you got front pockets, man. So make sure that your bag is secured with Sole Premise, y'all. You can save up to 50% almost on one of these bags and several other styles, y'all. So just take a look at it, check them out, man. I have them linked down below in the description. Trust me, I've been preaching it for a while because hey, it's the only way that I go, you know what I'm saying? And I didn't know how much I used it until I got one in hand, man. So check out Sole Premise today. It is linked down below in the description. JayTheSneakerGuy is the promo code for that. And yes, sir, let's go ahead and talk about these 14s that we do have. So jumping right into it, y'all, taking a look at the box that it comes in. It does come in a regular Air Jordan 14/13 style box, all over silver with the red Jumpman on it, y'all. When you take a look at the size tag, it reads Air Jordan 14. Retro color blocking is black, white. Pretty simple, man. But when you pop open the box, y'all, you will see that you do have a all over white inside. There are no lot numbers, no stamps, none of that. Pretty plain. You got your shoe paper inside of there. You do have a white and green sticker inside the box though, y'all. That is something that I don't usually see on Jordan 14s, but you do have a white and green sticker inside there. And outside of that, that is it. That comes with the box, y'all. So that is the box contents. Let's go ahead and take a look at the shoes and get into the review. So yes, taking a look at the outsole, y'all. You do got that all over black outsole with your hits of white on it. Of course, your white Jordan 14 little pod. You do got your white Jumpman right there, your little plastic hit right there in the middle, and pretty much everything else is stealthy with the black touches, man. But when you move up to the uppers of the shoe, you got your white hits going all throughout those areas. This is a clean shoe, man. I think that these are gonna sell pretty good, y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all. These will definitely sell pretty good, man. But you do got your white hits right there with the nice little gloss touch on it. And when you move up above that, you got your, of course, we didn't talk about this, the little black plastic coming up, okay? We got the black plastic from the outsole coming up, but on the uppers of the shoe, we got that all over suede upper. These would have went crazy with a leather upper, something similar to, of course, the breads or the last shots. If we would have got a leather like that on these, man, these would have went crazy. But the suede isn't a bad look at all. It does look a little more ashy via the camera than it does in hand. It's not too ashy, it's more of a jet black, but I definitely can dig it. You know, I'm not disappointed with it, you know what I'm saying? It looks very stealthy, but all over black hits. Of course, you got your perforated holes on the side, regular Air Jordan 14 stuff. We got the nice soft suede on the toe box with the baby white Jumpman. You do got your black tongue. Black laces are the only laces included with this shoe. No extra laces come with this shoe outside of the black laces, man. I do love the tongue though, man. I love how it goes up to, of course, that little canvas material, and then it is a blacked out Jordan written on the top, man. Very, very stealthy. I do like that touch. Taking a look at the back of the shoe, we do got, of course, that Ferrari style 2-3 emblem with the white hits on it, white Jumpman right there on the top. And inside sock liner area, we do have that fleece black hit. So that nice little fleece black hit right there all throughout the interior sock line. We do got the blacked out Roman numeral 14 on the back of the tongue. And inside the shoe, pretty simple. Black insole that you can't see, but it's a black insole with a white Jumpman. Black insole, white Jumpman. Shoe paper. No shoe tree. Of course, everything is regular. Do we got some lace tips? Yes, 14s. Pretty much same thing as a Jordan 14. You got your lace tips in silver on these with the Jumpman on them. And on the back of this one, it does say that these were manufactured from April through August. April through August on the production of the Jordan 14 black and whites, man. And these are nice, man. These were a must cop for me upon seeing them. Definitely a shoe that I can throw in a rotation, wear them on a frequent basis. You know, I ain't gotta pull out no, I hate to say it while I'm reviewing the shoe, but I don't gotta pull out no Panda ones or nothing like that. I can just pull out these Jordans right here, be clean in them, man. But yes, man, y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these. If I had to rate them on a scale from 1 to 10, I'm giving these a cool 9, man. I'm giving these a solid 9. This is just a nice shoe. I think Jordan brand, you know, they made a nice Jordan 14 with these, man. So I'm not mad at these at all. Like I said, y'all let me know y'all thoughts. What do y'all rate them on a scale from 1 to 10? But outside of that, man, it is time, man. It is movie time. We gonna throw these on feet. We gonna swap them out. Y'all let me know your favorite lace color, and yeah, thumbs it up. Outside of that, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Y'all already know Jay making movies. So till then, y'all stay blessed. Let me know if y'all cop these as well. But I'm out of here, man. Let's get to it. Peace.
I keep 100.
Rob.
Yeah.
Rock Money North.
What up, Jay?
My guy Jay the Sneaker, pleasure to meet you. I'm with the fam, it ain't hard to reach you. They gon' ride like the coupe with the features. We in the game, but the haters and bleachers. So take a seat, take a note from the teacher, I mean the professor. Talking big money and stay on the dresser. Keep it 100, won't take none less. You gang easy, got a cheat code. Yeah, bro, I'm finna go beast mode. Double up, triple up, keep those. Yeah, hell yeah, I'ma keep those. Brand new kicks on my feet though. Yeah, bro, haters, I eat those. She digging my stitches, no Lilo. Finna make a movie on Vivo. Call me Jay with the J's, that's 100 degrees. No fugazi, so no way, I keep 100 with me. Had to grind till I shine, that's 100 for me. I go all in for the fam, that's 100 indeed. Yeah. I keep 100. I keep 100. Yeah, I keep 100. Woo! I keep 100.